Yeah, but anyway, yeah. So let's look at the squad. Let's say Bafana. Let's look at the squad. Bafana. So yeah, so I'll check ala. Bafana. Okay, so I can say I choose the final squad, Jack. Hugo Bruce. Mm.
I think I choose I know maybe before 11 because it's submission.
Mm-hmm.
Kwamele even the 11 to work submission final squad.
11 December. Okay, so kahle short nathi siyovama vele ngalo 11.
Maybe I choose maybe day before or
Mhm.
maybe 2 days before the deadline submission.
I release isafa maybe.
Kutoba ne-press conference atayenda le-Thomas le
Yeah.
ku-SABC then I thought okay Brian Williams
Mhm.
for goalkeeper Brian Williams or Brendan Peterson usipochain then uyamuva for
Mhm.
my defense this and this and this and this
Yeah.
move from a midfield forwards
Yeah.
njalo.
So wena la mawubuka awucabanga ukuthi Brendan Peterson will make the cut. Oh.
Who else should make the cut here? Because it must be Rowan Williams, Sipo Chain, Brendan Peterson.
Yeah.
This team of Ricardo Goss and what
No. Well. From
but I say siyathi ukuthi vele Madala kayizondi Chiefs so mina vele angi-expect lutho.
Okay. Siyabona. And then la kuma-defender yabona sibone lana okay ngiyabona there's a lot of Sundowns players.
Obvious Mbekezi Mbokazi is going, Khuliso Mndau is going. I don't know about Mathuludi. Mathuludi is not going, but Siyabonga Ngezana is going.
Yeah.
Sibisi is going.
So okay, so basically siyakhona kubona ukuthi ngobani la kade obachuza la abanye lesizobekela nje ukuthi ajabulise amanye ama-fans kunama-fans nje lafuna ukuthi angakwati kakhulu afuna ukubakwatisa kakhulu.
Mina vele ngithi Madala kakhethe squad lafuna sona. Akhethe squad lafuna sona.
Mara niyalwa phela lapha ku-social media.
No,
this thing kuyafika kuye phela le thing.
Into mina lengilwisa ngamadala Hugo Bruce.
Yeah.
It's simple. You can say if like bakubuta nge-Chiefs because these journalists they always put Madala on a hot seat.
Yeah.
They know that they will get reaction from our fans because the Chiefs in a fan base lengo.
Yeah.
That like the people like nje batambuta about the Chiefs like bafuna kumuva ukuthi utawuthini. Then obvious Madala ngathi akana media training nje uyovela akhuluma into yakhe.
Yena vele ukhuluma into nje letanikwatisa.
So that's it. Because I don't think it's like a true Kaizer Chiefs fan nabukela Chiefs then that's okay. Ma-player so kumele abe squad. In terms the way we are playing. Yes, we can be maybe number 3 or number 4 on the log, but we are watching football ngemehla siyibukela ngelog, right?
Ngelog. Siyabona ukuthi khona lamanye ama-player vele.
Yeah, to be honest siyabona ukuthi okay manje Chiefs ma-player awo they are not good enough. Maybe Mduduzi Shabalala na Brendan Peterson na Thabiso Monyane maybe. balengikhala ukuthi nebhanga abadi kwe-squad, but even though awachoose mina still angeke ngibe nenkinga. But uMadala akafunze umlomo about i-Chiefs, because that's the reason vele i-Chiefs itholakale seyifavor bo Rwanda.
Yeah.
Because uMadala always bamfaka hot seat bambuthe nge-Chiefs athi yena they are not playing good. If yena sebenzisa leyo merit leyo ukuthi uthatha le-player ngoba le-performa, Ricardo Gossi udlale yaswelele sile phansi le mara squad.
I'm sorry, they are not playing good. They are not playing good.
Ale league lakhe lencane. Then we have the issue ya Lodge match.
Yeah, then another issue ya Lodge. Ukuthi akamfaka yena uthi it's not the future.
So okay, because yakhe uMadala nayo uyathi contradictor. Njengoba it's not the future, I agree. It's Thembazwane is the future because Lodge una 31, Thembazwane una 33.
So Thembazwane umzala kuna Lodge. Like
he's bad ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi akendi even i-preliminary round.
Yeah, amfake nje just ukujabulisa akuthulisa abantu.
Yabo, this is not about ukuthulisa abantu. Lodge, we need Lodge to go AFCON. If I had to choose, if I had to choose between Mbule and Lodge, now umuntu utanginiketa like i-product, Lodge will obviously give me product. Mbule utanginiketa uyalazi yena mara
uyalazi.
Ushale tekutapeta Mbule, which is Mbule ngiyamthanda, is a good player. Now umbukela uyayi-enjoy ibhola, but sometimes we need like a final product.
Sengikhala Tuesday. Ngithi bame kancane ngetapeta sizame ukukora. Bese ngithi manje kancane manje. Ngiyabona nidlala kahle netapeta nendani mara hey asikoreni phela.
So yamdzinga Lodge, siyamdzinga Lodge, but anyway since angekho, me as a Kaizer Chiefs fan I will support South Africa. It doesn't matter what's happening because before I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, I'm a South African. So but angeke choose lamanye ama Kaizer Chiefs fan. Umabona ngathi ona akafuni ukusupporta iSouth Africa.
Yeah.
I-choice.
Support abafuna support. All right, this morning Mukwena, Leroy, who's that? Obas. But Mkhize, specifically Mkhize from Sekhukhune United. Maduna from TX Galaxy. This is the midfielders. What's that? Mapangule. Manstole. Udlala Portugal.
Yeah, udlala i-team lethu nje naye.
Okay, Pepelo Stole. Udlala ePortugal. Oyifile le team le. Todela. Isidi Todela ifile. Okay. Nemtajela. And then from Stelisi bathathe Mthiane. Mtetheleli Mthiane and then Thembazwane.
Uzombone kusilo coach lona akekho fair.
Yeah.
Thembazwane walimala nini Thembazwane? He has not been playing football since iqalile isizini akadlali. Mara now.
Mara question ke ukuthi akawavakasheli lama team e-training. Maba trainer ahamba ayobukela e-training.
Mina ngathi lapho ke but uyathi kuma match uyayi.
Aye Cloricop, aye Naturona, aye Orlando, aye le I don't know la abanye ba-train phi. Ayobona phela ukuthi kwentekayo. And aphinde akhulume nalama-team. Because I think that's another thing. If abonile ukuthi li-player lidlalela i-team asho ukuthi leli player lifuna nilidlalise le.
Batamlwisa phela lo. So interfere.
Akadlale lo. Ngifuna ukumbona.
Yabo
Ngifuna ukumbona. Okay.
But at least after i-World Cup uyahamba lo Mataba.
Yeah, ushilo angithi ukuthi uyahamba.
Hey, akahamba.
Uthi retire. Yeah, so Dudul Chabalala is the only one who from Chiefs to forwards.
Kenzo.
This is
Yeah.
one. So sina Apolis, Sibilibile, Maswangani, Renas, so Ikram Renas, Shabalala, Dus Shabalala, Nkotha, Foster, Ditejane, yeah, Ditejane. Ukore makore like 2 manje nena akadlala eMbombela. Yeah.
Stop there.
Yeah, ayagijima le. Ayagijima Ditejane. Hlongwane dlala America, Minnesota.
Yeah, Minnesota.
Hey, Minnesota United. Oh.
He will not pass the 53 man. Akayinzawo lo yasithatha.
Usho nje. Yeah, abantu base-America badlala usquad. Okay. So Sepang Moremi. Ukhona. So lawa ama-forward lawa ke. Sikhuluma ngama-forward. Sepang Moremi. And then Mayambela. Huh?
Udlala eCyprus i-Aris Limassol.
Okay. Mayambela. Hey, okay. Asichubeke. Then from Stellenbosch, Cupido. So Ashley Cupido is Ashley Cupido. Yagijima Cupido.
Ayikho nje team yakhe ibhika Lizembe ugijima njani le phansi.
Usho hoppat phela akusho ukuthi akakori.
Akakori Cupido. If you can check unangaki for the last maybe 6 games tothi unalinye ligoli.
Ukorile manje ngithi.
Ukore i-winning goal
maba wina manje ukore. Kore negoli yabakore Africa nguye. Nguye Cupido. Okay, so evidence Mahopa, Sipombule.
Ow.
So
Evidence.
So umdlalisa ezi-forward Sipombule Bruce. Akamdlalisi the way thina simdlalisa ngakhona ePirates. Yeah. Thina Pirates the last game yes besimfake as like number 10 but usually hayi siyamgqibela
usually udlala number 6.
Siyamgqibela ngale muva agqibele angabonakali nasiceda sithi uyalazi uyalazi Makhalwa. This is Makhalwa. So Kileto Makhalwa from Sekhukhune United. And then Shedri Campbell.
Shenry Campbell. Aqala ngayibidi lentwana.
Campbell. Yeah.
Aqali nje angayibidi lentwana Shenry. Angomsole.
Udlala eBelgium.
Ayaboke la. Hlala phansi.
Uyagijima eBelgium. Yeah.
Hlala phansi.
Mani Shendry Campbell.
Yeah, but it's Shenry Campbell.
Campbell. Campbell. Campbell. Oh. So wena uthi angahlala angambidi ngoba uyagijima le eBelgium.
Blind vele umfana beside igijima eBelgium lo mfana lo blind
Yeah,
utawubona
ugijima ngithi ugijima khona khona eBelgium.
Lentwana blind.
Okay, and then it's Relebogile Mofokeng from Orlando Pirates. And then it's Elias Mukwana, udlala eSaudi Arabia. Al Hazem.
Ayinzawo loyo.
Yeah. Wendani?
Ayinzawo. Akayinzawo.
Bayomkhatha.
Baningi nje wokeletso ngathi awukhathwa lana bo-Cupido wathi khathelwa.
uCupido baphuma.
Nabanenhlanhla bo-Life Foster. Life Foster inkomo mara yeyi.
Utawuchubeka fakho. Udlala eEngland, udlala eBurnley FC. Lo Life Foster.
And there is a backup striker lapha.
Yini usebhenjini?
Hlezi wasebhenjini.
Usebhenjini.
So ngithe nesithi question nabo from madala but if i-team yenda kahle akusingi sizicomplain kakhulu because wonke umuntu une-philosophy and udzinga ama-player latawufitha i-philosophy yakhe so latawakhetha which means afithe philosophy yakhe we move.
Yeah, hey mara liqiniso ukuthi uyigubhile le team wayigubha from kuba ngibomabhena phela bese ibita ngabomabhena le team sithi ngibomabhena wayigubha le team wayibuyisa naye seyibafana futhi
ayacompete futhi
seyibuyile seyibafana hey ngoba uyigubhe bekunzima bekunzima hayi bafana bekunzima hey okay hayi all right
so sesawubona le 23 men yakhe latayikhetha ukuthi itawuhamba njani.
ukuthi kusala bobani labakhishwako.
Sesitawubona ke sicomplain ngoba complain vele kuyohlezi khona.
Sokhala nawe uthi siyakhala.